this isn't a pocket light. The Wurkkos HD02 is a quad beam, foldable power tool for your car, your bug out bag, or your emergency kit. Pushes up to 3200 lumens, has a UV light, green laser, fold out floodlights, and even a 5000 milliamp hour battery bank. We'll go over some quick specs here. Output and run times. Weight, IPX6 rated, 195 grams, 6.86 ounces. USB-C type charging. So what is this light? So it has the main spotlight, the laser emitter, UV emitter, and of course the wing lights. Like I said, the max output is 3200 lumens, which is plenty bright for that main spotlight. It does have a removable 21700 battery, 5000 milliamp hour with the magnetic tail, and it even has a quarter 20 for tripods or anything like that, or light stands. Plenty of options for hands-free, a nice beefy pocket clip, USB-C charging port. Obviously this light is pretty beefy. This is not meant for something to be in your pocket. This is, like I said, meant for an emergency kit, power outages, car kits, toolboxes, stuff like that. It has a really decent spotlight, steppable design, and the output is really incredible actually. The UV light also has the 2 power modes. The green laser, of course, is really decent, and the floodlights on the side. This is also bicolor. It's a bicolor light. You can change the temperature. Simply double push, hold it down, and it changes from a cool white to a warm yellow. And of course, it's bright as well. It's great for working around if you wanted something in a shop or something and you need just a little bit extra light. This would be great for that. The magnetic tail on it is extremely strong, plenty of power. Like, this thing is not coming off anytime soon. It is pretty aggressive. In a good way though. The spotlight is really nice for searching around if you're trying to find something in the dark, obviously. The wing lights are a great floodlight for the campsite or roadside. If you're in like an emergency situation where the power had gone out, this would be a great emergency light for that. Being able to charge your phones if you needed to, that's another bonus for this. The green laser can be used for entertainment, for pets, signaling if you needed to, and of course the power bank. It is rather affordable. This thing does come in at $90 US, which is about 125 Canadian. So for what you get, this is actually a really decent price. What are the cons of this thing? This thing being so bright, it does get very hot as well, to be expected for this kind of output. The user interface is not bad. I wouldn't say it's a negative by any means. The weight size factor is obviously leaning in towards certain type of carries. You're not gonna put this thing in your pocket. It's too heavy, too bulky for that. But I mean, it is a fun light to play around with. That UV with the dual levels is really good. The manufacturer claims 3200 lumens. I don't know if that's true or not. And that is obviously peak claims. Real world output and run times will vary, obviously. There also is the implications of safety with a light like this as well. It is very bright. The UV can be damaging to skin, eyes, and the lasers. There are legal ramifications with lasers if you ever pointed it at airplanes or anything like that. You have to be careful with that as well. So what are my final thoughts? I've been using this light for a couple of weeks now. I've really enjoyed it. I'm pretty sure at my last little family gathering, I convinced my cousin to buy 2 or 3 of them. If you're building an emergency kit at home for the car or truck, the HD02 is probably a good combination of power, hands-free mounting, and the power bank features. It makes it a practical, budget-minded addition. Just don't expect it to live in your pocket. If you guys like videos like this, there's a whole list of EDC flashlights you can check out, or slings, or whatever else. I got a whole bunch of good stuff coming up, including some of this stuff over here. Thank you, Wurkkos, for sending me out the light, and see you guys in the next one.